Sigma males are extremely independent and tend to be reserved when it comes to sharing their emotions. They bring innovative thinking to the forefront of their lives because they are gifted with a strong sense of logic and limitless imagination. Sigma males are frequently described as pompous, unyielding, and even cold because they are introverts who enjoy having the time and space to think and decompress. However, Sigma males are generally very sympathetic, loyal, and open-minded. As a result, many people want to know more about what motivates and inspires them. The following are 10 things that Sigma males find extremely arousing and stimulating. Number 1. Solitude. Sigma males thrive on autonomy and unstructured time. They value having regular alone time where they can let their minds imagine, wonder, analyze, and visualize. Being in a peaceful, quiet environment allows them to focus on their deeper thoughts and reflections. Number 2. Intelligent conversations. Sigma males enjoy deep discussions with intellectually curious people. They enjoy discussing philosophy, psychology, and a variety of other controversial topics that many people avoid. They enjoy asking questions, seeking answers, and learning about other people's perspectives on the world. Number 3. Adventure. You'd think he'd be cooped up in a dark corner all the time. However, Sigma males must take breaks for adventure on a regular basis. Their inferior function revolves entirely around experiencing the outside world in high definition. Sigmas can become underdeveloped and out of balance if they are not appeased. Taking breaks to do something exciting and immersive can inspire them and provide a burst of energy. Trying new foods, traveling to a new part of the world, or going deep sea diving are all examples of these. Number 4. Learning. If they are not mentally progressing, Sigma males become bored. They like to absorb all kinds of random and varied bits of information, whether they're developing their own game or studying the nature of tropical plants. Number 5. Making order from chaos. Sigma males are driven to develop systems that are effective and efficient. They desire an organized, peaceful environment and are willing to put in the effort to achieve it. When others are feeling agitated or disoriented, they find satisfaction in organizing, delegating, and improving plans and systems to make them more effective and productive. Number 6. Creativity. Sigma males are typically inventive and creative. They enjoy doing things in novel ways and displaying their ideas through artwork, entrepreneurship, innovation, writing, and other means. Many well-known innovators and businessmen were Sigma males. Number 7. Silence. While they enjoy friendships and music, Sigma males are also mentally stimulated by periods of silence. In fact, sensory deprivation can cause their intuition to work with greater clarity and power. They frequently have the clearest, deepest aha moments during periods of silence, complete solitude, and darkness. Number 8. Being one with nature. Sigma males have highly analytical minds that can easily become disconnected from their surroundings. This can lead to stress if they repress their inferior function for an extended period of time. Spending quiet time in a serene, natural environment is one way Sigmas can combat this while still allowing their minds to wander. Many Sigmas enjoy the peace and quiet of mountains, lakes, and forests. These all help to calm their racing minds and allow him to concentrate and meditate on everything that is possible and true and amazing in this world. Number 9. Strategy. Sigma males are masters of strategic thinking. They get a rush from anticipating future goals and rearranging the pieces to accomplish the desired outcome. The more difficult the problem, the more eager they will be to solve it. Number 10. Sigma males are obsessed with the future. When they imagine the distant future, they actually enter a flow state. As their dominant mental process, they employ a technique known as introverted intuition. This procedure is all about drawing conclusions, imagining how various scenarios might play out, and predicting the most likely outcome. This method revitalizes Sigmas and makes them feel more alive and energized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss all the new videos that come out that are all just for you.